How to remove or turn off subscriptions on TikTok. First things first is access your TikTok application and then head over to your profile and then tap the three dots or the three lines at the top right corner of your phone. And then head to settings and privacy. Now, if you have subscribed to any features on TikTok, it is usually seen below account right here. But if does not appear below account and then you have subscribed to any of the features from TikTok, then we'll have to report that. Now all I have to do is scroll all the way down and then go to report a problem. From here, scroll down a bit and then go to subscription and then head to manage your subscriptions. Now just simply press on how can I cancel an auto renewal subscription and then just press on no. Now then tap on need more help. Now from here, you'll just have to explain what happened, or if you have maybe a screenshot, you can exactly upload it on the first option, or if you have a video footage, then you can upload it on the second option. Just simply type in, please cancel my subscription. So once you submit this, you will be generated with a report ticket, and then TikTok customer support will be the ones to get back to you. Turnaround time is going to be 24 to 48 hours, but it's only a turnaround time. It usually takes within the day. So you'll just keep your phones open until TikTok customer support will reply to your concern. So that's how you remove or turn off subscriptions on TikTok.